Welcome to the ToolBox talk on working at height. Work at height means work in any place where, if there were no precautions in place, a person could fall a distance, liable to cause personal injury. There are over 35 deaths and over 5,000 major injuries a year from falls from height. Most accidents are preventable. In this ToolBox talk, we will discuss about the guidelines for working at height, safety measures for falling, safety measures for stairways, safety rules while using the ladder, and safety rules for preventing the falls that should be followed while working at height. Working at height remains one of the biggest causes of fatalities and major injuries. Common cases include falls from ladders and through fragile surfaces. The workplace must be assessed before each assigned job for potential fall hazards. Following guidelines will help in keeping you safe when you're working at heights. Fall prevention methods, such as guardrails. Fall protection systems, such as a restraint system, positioning system, and fall arrest system. Fall prevention plans, which are administrative controls that rely on special training and work practices. Let's discuss how employers can take some safety measures to reduce the risk of any of their workers falling while working at height. Guardrails with a top rail, mid-rail, and toe board must be provided around every open-sided working surface that is 4 feet or higher off the ground or next level. All floor holes and openings must be guarded or covered, regardless of fall distance. Guards can include using a railing and toe board or a floor hole cover. There are various specific requirements for stairways, but in general, if a stairway has 4 or more risers, it must have standard stair railings or handrails as follows. Have at least one handrail, preferably right side descending, if both sides enclosed. Have at least one stair railing on open side, if one side is open. Have one stair railing on each side, if both sides open. Now, let's discuss about safety rules that must be followed while using the ladder. If reaching to a high work area, a ladder may be used, but first always determine if a ladder is the best method for reaching the higher work area. If a ladder is used, always use the right ladder for the job, ensuring it is tall enough to reach the work area without standing on the top rung. Always extend ladders 3 feet above the landing point. Place ladders on stable and level ground and secure the base of the ladder. Always wear proper footwear on ladders. Maintain 3 points of contact with the ladder at all times. We will discuss some points that must be followed for preventing the falls. Do as much work as possible from the ground. Don't forget to always inspect your equipment before each use. Determine hazard areas and hazardous jobs or activities. Ensure workers can get safely to and from where they work at height. Ensure equipment is suitable, stable, and strong enough for the job, maintained and checked regularly. Provide protection from falling objects. Consider emergency evacuation and rescue procedures. Determine which type of fall protection will work best for the area and tasks. Always follow the manufacturer's recommendations for storing, inspecting, and maintaining fall protection equipment. Ensure employees are trained on full protection hazards, and procedures for minimizing or eliminating the hazards. With this, let's complete our toolbox talk on working at height. Have a safe day.